All right, so we'll learn how to do EndNote. So there are a lot of ways to do this, but the way I do it is that whenever I go to PubMed and I search for an article that I want to cite, or if I come across this article on, say, another website, I'll like, there's always an option to download the citation on whichever website you go to. So like for say you're on PubMed, right, and you want to cite this article, so there is this send to option, and then there is this citation manager. So I just simply download the file on the citation manager in my downloads, and then every journal has this option. So like this American Heart Association also has that download citations, and then there are different files for which you could download it. RIS or EndNote, whichever you choose doesn't matter, because most of them do get exported into EndNote. And then I'll just open this, and it opens up in EndNote, right? So now I'll save this, because if I don't, then next time I need to cite this article, I won't be able to find it on EndNote. So what I do is I do add references to, and I have like all of these, groups that I've created. So this one could be going into the COVID-19 group. And then like you can just save it over here. And then when you want to cite it, so you say you type something, and then you need to activate this plugin on EndNote in Word. I think it's File Options, and then you go to add-ins, and then you have to I guess you have to activate it from here, or I think it's yeah, and then maybe you like click on these plugins and make sure that's activated. So now if I want to cite this article, I'll just remember like a keyword from the article, like, therapeutics and vaccines, or I'll just remember the first name of the author, which is AHN. And then I'll insert citation here, and then I'll type the first name of the author, and then I'll double click on it, and it'll give me the citation here. And then you can like do it for like multiple things. It'll update the citation for you. So let me see. So if I want to put this citation as well, and then sometimes you'll have to click on update citations and bibliography for the references to update. And even if you like put multiple citations in different places and the numbers are all messed up, once you click update citations and bibliography, all of the references will update. And then you can change the style based on what journal you're submitting to. So you can change it to whichever style you want. And then sometimes you might have to do like, some journals will have like a specific style, and you can actually edit the style in which you want to write in. And you go to edit file and output styles, and then make your own style by like editing the format. And that's how I do it. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of different other ways to use EndNote, but I just keep downloading the citations and then importing the citations in EndNote and then saving them. So that's how I do it. All right. Oh,
Nakia, I'm lost.
okay, let me do it again.
Do it slowly.
Yeah, stop the recording. That was like.
No, it's okay. I can record again. I'm pretty sure people did not get it. So which part did you not get?
Wait, so from PubMed, like if I want to cite that specific article, where do I go?
You go to send to
EndNote?
Yeah, and then citation manager.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I think you might have the different version of PubMed. Do you have the newer version? I think you probably have this one.
The one that will come out mid-May.
Oh, okay.
Let me see.
Because it will always have a cite option, like whichever, and then you can, you can download this NBIB, like bibliography format. Whatever format you download it, it's gonna still like download, and then you open it and you save the thing.
So mine doesn't let me do the download. It just makes it. It just saves it.
Yeah, that's what So where does it?
Wait, how do I turn on it? What? Let me see.
Are you on downloads? Do you want to share your screen and show me what you're doing? Okay. So okay. So when you click on EndNote, like go to the EndNote home screen.
EndNote home screen. Okay.
And then you click on File and then click on New because you haven't set up a library yet. No, just click on New, the first option. And then name it like Laura's library or something like that. And then click OK. And now open that library wherever you saved it. Oh, there. Now you have a library. Yeah. And now when you click on the thing that you downloaded, it should show up in your library. Or if it doesn't, then you should open.
So when I
I don't know what just happened.
Oh, it's importing.
Yep.
How did you do?
It's recorded, Larnelle. Okay. So it's here.
Okay, and now you can save it.
Word, I want to insert that citation.
But I think you need to, well, we can try, but I think you need to save the citation also, but let's see.
Oh, so wait, this one?
Oh, here, yeah. No, it's, just try doing it without saving it. Just put the author's name or something.
Oh, wait. This one.
Yeah, just put the first two alphabets.
Wait, I don't have letter E.
Okay, just do D and search. Oh yeah, so you can do it without saving them, but I think saving them is much better because if you have to do it again.
Wait, do I have to highlight the?
No, you don't, because now it's going to replace your text.
Wait, well, but this is a full.
Yeah, so now, so the style is annotate, like your style is a different style.
What if I wanted like a footnote, like 1 or 2? How did you do it like that?
Yeah, I think it's, I mean, change to Vancouver style of formatting. I think it's the style that you have. I'm not sure.
Vancouver?
Oh, and then,
okay.
Oh,
nice. So if I want to put another one, it's just going to automatically go to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
If I start reading. Where's the other one? So
Well, it showed up when you were putting in the citation. Look, there are two of them. There's the national one as well.
Okay. It's nice. Thank you, Nakia. Yeah, that was easy.
Yep.
Oh boy.
Okay, let me.
Did you understand it, Larnelle?
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it?
No, as in I had